Alright guys, back again. I have 2 boxes left, as you can see. You open another one. I'll upload this today. And I'll save one of these boxes probably until midweek of this next coming week. So we're gonna roll random 4 times. Sorry, the first one I kind of it's like, oh, we don't have that number. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5. Oh, and we have 5 right here. It's the basketball. 1 hit in here, so let's get this going. Like I said, it's part of Bullout's March Madness. I got 1 spot in it. The 6, whoever's marked 6th in the East overall ranking. Hopefully, I'll at least get to the Sweet 16 to get a box. If not, it's alright. Alright, guys. 1 stack. There's the other. Probably just gonna get inserts and rookies other than the jerseys. Let's get going. 2008, 9. Skybox. I can't tell what the rookies are. Kobe Bryant insert. It's a nice start. And then base. I like opening all these other kind of sports, because it's been a long time since I've opened like hockey and stuff. Dwight Howard, it's a nice one. Oh, there's our jersey. Stromeyer Swift jersey for the Nets standouts. Got our 1 hit already. Not too bad. Ben Wallace close-ups. Insert. Oh, that's a nice one. Marcus Camby, Metal Universe, not numbered. Insert. Gilbert Arenas, close up. Shaq, back when he's with the Phoenix Suns. Days. Alex, oh gosh, I'm horrible. That's a rookie. Yeah, not gonna try. Shaq, there's Shaq again. Close ups. Insert. I kind of like retail because sometimes you never know what you can pull. Plus, sometimes this game rookies is nice. Takes me back. Close up of Oscar Robertson. It's an old school player. Close up of Monte Ellis. 2 packs left. And you know what, guys? I'm just going to finish box 1 after this. LeBron James, close up. It's a nice one from retail. Insert. Got LeBron and Kobe and a jersey. And Shaq. And I believe this is all base. Nope. Kevin Garnett. Close ups. Alright, thanks guys. Be back with the last box.